In the rapidly growing community of Hutto, Texas, both homeowners and businesses are increasingly recognizing the vital role of robust security camera systems. Whether it's protecting loved ones and valuable possessions or safeguarding commercial assets and ensuring employee safety, a well-planned and professionally installed surveillance system offers unparalleled peace of mind. When it comes to installing security cameras, experience, reliability, and local knowledge are paramount. Hutto residents and businesses have several reputable options for professional installation services. Companies like Dias Surveillance and Security are frequently mentioned as local providers with extensive experience in smart home security, alarms, and camera systems, serving Hutto and the wider Central Texas area. Investing in a security camera system for your property in Hutto is a great choice, providing strong protection and peace of mind. By familiarizing yourself with the various types of cameras, the differences between wired and wireless systems, and the available storage options as well as the latest advancements in AI, you can make a well-informed decision.